Benchmade knives epitomize precision craftsmanship and innovation in cutlery. Renowned for their superior quality and attention to detail, these knives encompass a wide range of designs from everyday carry to tactical and outdoor use. Crafted with premium materials and utilizing advanced mechanisms, such as AXS lock systems, they offer reliability and durability for various tasks. Benchmade knives stand as a hallmark of excellence, catering to knife enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and functionality. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 9. Benchmade Taggedout is a reliable and versatile everyday carry knife, meticulously designed to deliver exceptional performance. Crafted with premium materials such as CPMS 30V stainless steel, this folding knife boasts a durable blade that retains its sharpness through prolonged use. Its ambidextrous AXS lock mechanism ensures smooth and secure deployment, allowing for effortless one-handed operation. With a contoured G10 handle providing a comfortable grip, this knife excels in precision cutting tasks. Its compact size and pocket clip make it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures or day-to-day tasks, embodying Benchmade's commitment to quality, functionality, and enduring craftsmanship. Number 8. Benchmade Flyway is a versatile and high-quality folding knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts and hunters. With a blade length of 3.24 inches, the Flyway combines a slim profile with exceptional functionality. The blade is made from premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and excellent edge retention. The handle is crafted from textured G10 material, providing a secure grip even in wet conditions. The Flyway features Benchmade's AXS locking mechanism, which allows for smooth one-handed operation and ensures the blade stays securely in place during use. Additionally, the knife comes with a reversible pocket clip for convenient everyday carry. Whether you're field dressing game or tackling everyday tasks, the Benchmade Flyway is a reliable and dependable companion. Number 7. Benchmade Fixed Adamas stands as a testament to unwavering durability and precision in its 4.20-inch D2 tool steel blade. This robust, full-tang knife exhibits exceptional strength, designed for the toughest tasks with its reliable strength and resilience. The G10 handle, featuring a textured surface, offers a secure grip even in adverse conditions. Meticulously crafted, its rugged design is complemented by a Kydex sheath equipped with multiple carry options for convenience. Whether utilized for survival, tactical purposes, or demanding outdoor activities, the Benchmade Fixed Adamas embodies unparalleled toughness, ensuring a steadfast companion for any challenging situation. Number 6. Benchmade Om epitomizes precision and elegance in a folding knife. Renowned for its sleek design and premium materials, the Benchmade Osborne features a 3.4-inch CPMS 30V stainless steel blade, delivering exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its lightweight aluminum handles, available in various colors, boast an ergonomic and ambidextrous design, offering comfortable and secure handling for diverse tasks. The patented AXS locking mechanism ensures smooth blade deployment and reliable locking for enhanced safety. Engineered for everyday carry, the Benchmade Osborne represents a harmonious blend of style, functionality, and top-notch craftsmanship, catering to knife enthusiasts and professionals seeking a refined cutting tool. Number 5. Benchmade The Presidio stands tall as a pinnacle of automatic knife engineering, boasting exceptional strength and functionality. Featuring a 3.72-inch CPMS 30V stainless steel blade, it delivers robust cutting performance and remarkable edge retention. Its automatic opening mechanism, powered by an AXS lock system, allows for swift, one-handed deployment with effortless ease. The robust aluminum handles are textured for a secure grip and provide durability for challenging tasks. Designed for reliability, this knife includes a reversible deep carry pocket clip and a safety slide for secure carry and peace of mind. The Benchmade Presidio U stands as a testament to innovation and quality, catering to users seeking a powerful, dependable automatic knife for demanding situations. Number 4. Benchmade Folding Adamas represents a fusion of strength, durability, and precision in a versatile folding knife. Boasting a 3.82-inch D2 tool steel blade, this robust folder embodies reliability and toughness for heavy-duty applications. Its AXAS locking mechanism ensures secure blade deployment and steadfast locking during use. The G10 handles, designed with robust textures, offer a comfortable and solid grip, even in challenging conditions. With a reversible deep carry pocket clip and a lanyard hole for varied carrying options, the folding Adamas proves itself as a reliable everyday companion, ready to tackle demanding tasks with unwavering resilience and craftsmanship that epitomizes Benchmade's dedication to quality and performance. Number 3. Benchmade The Claymore emerges as a compact yet powerful addition to the Benchmade lineup, showcasing innovation and tactical prowess. Featuring a 2.5-inch CPM D2 tool steel blade, this versatile tool ensures exceptional cutting performance and durability. Its ambidextrous thumb stud opening and AXAS locking mechanism offer smooth deployment and secure locking, promising reliability in critical moments. The textured grivery handles provide a comfortable and slip-resistant grip, while the reversible deep carry pocket clip enables convenient carry options. Engineered for ease of use and precision, the Claymore's robust construction and functional design make it an ideal choice for those seeking a compact yet formidable, everyday carry knife crafted with Benchmade's commitment to quality and reliability. Number 2. Benchmade Bugout family stands as a testament to ultralight performance and versatility in the realm of everyday carry knives. Featuring a variety of models within the Bugout series, each showcases a durable yet lightweight construction, exemplified by its grivery or G10 handles and premium blade materials such as CPMS30V or M390 steel. With blade lengths ranging from 3.24 to 3.45 inches, these knives offer a perfect balance between functionality and portability. The AXAS locking mechanism ensures secure blade deployment, while the reversible pocket clip and lanyard hole enhance its carry options. Renowned for their featherweight design and ergonomic handling, the Bugout knives cater to outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and individuals seeking a reliable, high-performance EDC tool that embodies Benchmade's dedication to craftsmanship and quality. Number 1. Benchmade Mini SOCP stands as a compact yet powerful tactical tool, designed for precision and ease of use. With a 2.22-inch spear point blade crafted from premium CPMS30V stainless steel, this knife exemplifies durability and cutting performance in a small package. Its skeletonized handle, coupled with finger grooves and a ring at the base, ensures a secure grip and allows for swift deployment in critical situations. The Mini SOCP's lightweight and compact design make it an ideal discreet carry option, complemented by a reversible deep carry pocket clip for versatile placement. Engineered for self-defense and utility, the Mini SOCP embodies Benchmade's commitment to quality and innovation, providing a reliable and efficient tool for tactical professionals and everyday users alike.